Okay, are there magic methods for classes in C# like in PHP? What he's referring to is in PHP there's a magic method that allows you to intercept. It actually looks like this. It allows you to intercept a method invocation on a method that doesn't exist in C#. But this is not, well,
in PHP.
You what? Well, yeah, no. I was going to say this is not possible in C#, but it kind of sort of
I was
is.
about to say, yeah, it is.
Looks
It
like a
is.
delegate.
Well, what this would do is this would say if I typed in p1.ble, then this would intercept that invocation. But because C# is primarily a statically typed language, this is impossible. You have to have all your members defined on your objects if you want to use them. That being said, this will compile. This uses what's called the DLR, which gives dynamic typing capabilities to C#, but we are definitely not going to be talking about the DLR.
Is that we do not ever expect to see that keyword again?
I really want to get into talking about the DLR at some point, but that's like a 600 series course. You know what I mean?